connects three tangents, line with azimuths of 252 degrees 16 minutes, and BC is 340 degrees 10 minutes, and CD is 216 degrees 48 minutes. And the degree of the first chord, 6 degree, and the PT, and the okay, CD is 216 degrees 48 minutes. The degree of the first chord is 6 degrees, and the PT, and the PT. Okay. The degree of the first chord is 6 degrees. And the PT. Utol, ang sentence. Sige na, if the stationing of the PC is 2 plus 410.8, what is the stationing of PT if line BC is 164.71 meter? Okay, so we have 3 intersection point, intersecting line, no? Okay, so ato sa panundas, ang iyang what kining azimuth line niya. Okay, so we have 252. So sa ato magbukat na out and then tuyo clockwise. Okay, so we have 180, 252, I think yan. So 271. So I guess this azimuth no. Okay, una-una din yan. So let's say, the point is, kung saan din yan, AB na? Okay, AB, and then project na rin. Yang azimuth na rin last kay, azimuth na BC. It's 314, so lampas of, this is 180 to 70, and that is, pilagin na? 314. So, 360 na, so, ito nga rin. Okay. Buwas pa ito, witness. Sige. So, we have C, no? And then, balik na sa kaning azimuth sa CD, ilay CD na 216.48. So, nadre. 270 yan. 16, 18 natin. Okay? So, we have point B. Okay. Okay, so ito button. Okay, draw tag first chord. Ako sa padulandes. Nakadraw. Okay. Okay, so therefore muna. Then, equal to red. Reverse that. Oops. Okay, na lang. Kung muna sa punta na. Okay, kung muna sa punta na, guys. Okay. So, sige pa na eh. Okay, we need the central angle test. Okay, we need the central angle. Okay, so, any difference ko no? Any minus saan ka na? Pilay central angle sa first chord. Again, kaning angle minus ka na. Pilay central angle nila. Bila na eh. Pilay angle nila. Bila na eh? 61 degrees. 54 minutes. Okay, so this is 61 degrees, 54 minutes. Okay, how about The line BC and CBS. Pila ang goal reference nila. Ilan eh? Wala? 97. 97 degrees. 22. Okay, 22 minutes. So, it's 97 degrees at 22 minutes. Okay. So, karon nanatana, no? Okay. And the degree of the first curve is 6 degrees. The stationing of PC is 2 plus 410. What is the stationing of PC? If line BC, okay, negata to, if line BC is 164 point, okay, kanina lang, is 164.71. Okay na. So, ato sa solve si T1 test, T1 of T1. Okay? So, karon ang atong is 90 degrees. Drop line reckless, 90 na, and then, kaning katunga, is 61 degrees 54 minutes and divided 2. Okay? So, para sa natin plus si T1, okay, before that, I will solve first the radius of the first square, huh? So, we have 20 meters divided by the degree, the degree of the first square minute, that is, 11. 6 degrees. So, we have 6 degrees is equal to 2 pi R1, divided by 360 degrees. Pila R1 to? 190. 190.99 meter. Okay. So 190.99 meter. And then okay. So natay R1, so we have to solve our T1. Okay, ito sa solve sa T1. So gamit ang tangent. So tangent 61 degrees 54 minutes divided by 2 is equal to T1 over R1, that's 190.99. This R1 is. Okay, so T1 is equal to how much? Ilan eh? 11.53. Okay, 53 meter. Okay, so karon ato pa si Tito. Okay, at Tito na to, Tito man eh. Si Tito si Salva, Tito. Okay. So, we have 164.71. So, we have 164.71 minus T1. Pili value yan ito. Ilan eh? 50.18. Okay, 18 meter. Dati Tito. Okay, ang atong gusto solve is to say what is the stationing, what is the stationing of PT. Okay, so we have L1, we need to solve L1 and L2. Okay, so we need the value of R2 test. Okay, more na R2. Wala itong target. Okay, to solve R2, okay, to solve R2 test, ganing, that is T2 and then 90 degrees. Ganing guys, half anong angle, no? And then we will use tangent. So we have tangent 97 degrees 22 minutes divided 2 is equal to